Hello, welcome back. I'm Sean with Backflow Supply out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Today I wanted to talk to you about the older Febco, larger sizes, 850s, 860s, 870s, and 880s. Now, because of the lead-free laws, they're going to be an LF 850, LF 860, LF 870, and LF 880, all being lead-free. The insides are different. They're in stainless steel and designed a little bit different as well. But today I wanted to talk specifically about these older styles and an issue that comes up from time to time. And I'll show you on this old cutaway I've had here in my office for some time what that issue was. Sometimes people will call me up and say, I've replaced the rubbers, I've replaced the springs, I've replaced the seat, and it's still leaking. I'm not getting the values I need it to have. And I'll ask them if they've actually changed the seat gaskets, and oftentimes they didn't, because they didn't know how to take it out. When you're working inside the assembly, you'll notice that there is no bolt from the inside to take out. But if you look closer on the outside of the assembly, they've made it so that this bolt here goes through the body, and they've secured it with a nut, and you just have to undo those nuts. And once you've done that, then this whole check assembly here will come out as one piece out the cover, both on the outlet and on the inlet. It's the same thing. So I want to show you what the problem has been in the past. The seats were not solid underneath. They had these hollowed out spots in between the bolt holes all the way around. And what would happen is, over time, the gasket, I don't know if you can see that indentation there, was getting sucked up into this hollow spot. And you can see the discoloration on this gasket where that had happened, where it just pressed down into that groove. And so you would replace the disc and the spring, and you'd think that that was all good, but it was still leaking through just as badly as before you started. And a lot of times that could be the issue. Now they've fixed that, and the seats are solid. So there's no gap in between those bolts all the way around. And so this gasket will sit on there nice and smooth, and you won't have that issue near as often. I hope that this has been helpful. I encourage you to click on the subscribe button and to click on the bell so that you'll be notified when I've got another video coming up. And also let me know if there's something you want to see. How does something come out of an assembly? Or just questions in general. And we'll do a short video on it. Thank you for taking a few short minutes of your day to watch this. I appreciate it very much. Have a good day.